Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here in Nepal. I just had an amazing Ayurvedic massage, which was epic. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, stock market. When it opens, what's it going to do? Is it going to drop and pull down the crypto markets? Bitcoin is pulling back right now, exactly as I said yesterday's video. If it broke 21K, I went short, so my short is in the profits. I shared that in the live Telegram chat room. It's a free chat room. The Telegram is down below. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. Don't forget, comment on every video. My team is picking 5 winners a month for $200 and everything you're going to see in this video you can learn in the crypto mastercourse. If you've been randomly buying, if you're trying to trade and keep failing, if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to buy assets, you can take the crypto mastercourse. I have 6,500 students and it's my 21 years of investing experience into a 12-hour lesson. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technical. Bitcoin is pulling back, like I said. Now we need a strong bounce off this. So this was yesterday's video when I said that if we broke that 21K, we would come down to the bottom of the triangle, and that's playing out. Now it's okay that so we broke out of this symmetrical triangle on Bitcoin. This is a price movement for the last few weeks. We broke out. Now we can still remain bullish if we get a strong bounce here off 20,200. It's very important that we get that strong bounce. RSI is still heading down though. Stochastic is also still heading down on Bitcoin. Squeeze mob is also going towards the red side. So this drop could actually be quite severe. If we don't get a bounce of 20,200, we can be dropping to 17,000. So just keep that in mind. We got rejected off the EMA ribbons. Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the Crypto Mastercourse, is still saying a red sell. It fired a sell back here in April and it's been a sell ever since. It hasn't flipped to a buy yet. You get the bot in the Mastercourse. It teaches you how to install it. The Bitcoin indicator bot also just fired a sell, so it's not looking actually very good for Bitcoin right now. On the 4 hourly, RSI is dropping more. Stochastic is quite oversold now, and Squeeze Mob is going towards the red side. So we really need, if we want Bitcoin to remain bullish, we need a very big bounce from this area here, 20,238. And I went short on Bitcoin yesterday. This short played out. I shared it in the free Telegram group, and the Telegram group you can access in the description of this video. On your phone, if you go to the description, you can join this Telegram group. So down below, you join this Telegram, James New Telegram Live Alerts group. You click that link and you join the Telegram. It now has in here 2,317 people after 1 week, and you can see that I shared the short yesterday. So we went short at 21,000. Entry price 21,000. That was my short. That was Bitcoin shorting from 21,000, target 20,200. And now you can see that was the short that I shared yesterday at 7:29 p.m. So around 12 hours ago, 15 hours ago. And now we have then played out in that short. So you can see that short is playing out. It broke out of this triangle and headed down towards that bigger triangle. So we broke out of this triangle here, and we're heading down towards that bigger triangle. Now I'm going to close my short and open a long if Bitcoin gets a big bounce here with volume. We really need to get a big bounce here with volume to stay bullish. If we break through here, it's not good. I would then short again. I would keep my short open. If we don't bounce strongly, I'm going to keep my short open to 17,000. I'd actually extend the short. So if Bitcoin wants to remain bullish here, it needs a big bounce of 20,200. This is very, very important. On the hourly, Stochastic is oversold, turning to head up, so we could try to get a recovery here. Doesn't look too good at the moment, but that short played out very well. Squeeze Mob is going towards the red side very strongly. RSI is oversold, turning up. On the 15 minute, RSI is also turning up, so we're trying to get a recovery right now. Let's see what I'm seeing here. On the RSI, it's making low. It's very low. It's very oversold. We had a big drop actually just now. So we're trying to get a bounce, but the big bounce should happen at 20,200. So we need to get a strong bounce here. If we don't get a strong bounce here, so two things can happen now. Bitcoin could get a strong bounce with volume. So this volume really needs to spike as we bounce off here. Then we can go long, but on the 4 hourly, it needs to bounce. If it breaks through, and it breaks through this monthly, and it doesn't have a strong support here, if it breaks through, that's very bad for Bitcoin. I will keep the short open to 17,000. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this link, sign up to Bybit. If you use this link under the description of the video and sign up to Bybit, you get a sign-up bonus of $4,450 when you sign up and deposit Bitcoin or USDT. If you don't use this link down below, you only get a $400 bonus. And Bybit is the best exchange, never been hacked. If you get liquidations on other exchanges, Bybit, you don't have that happen. And don't join the Telegram group. And then we go over into Bybit. My short is currently, I had a short open, which I shared in that group yesterday. It's $150 in the profits, 29%. Now, it's either going to automatically close at 20,252, the target, or we're going to get a big bounce. In here, in this account, I've got 165,529. I'm actually, even though I was short, I'm actually lost money because I have 3.2 Bitcoin in here. My Bitcoin trade triggered at 20,500. If you followed my videos a while ago, I had a buy order at 20,500, and that added another Bitcoin. So in here, I have 3.2 Bitcoin, 65,000 US dollars, and I've got 67,000 USDT, and I've got this trade open shorting on Bitcoin. It's a 0.234 Bitcoin trade plus $148, and the target and take profit is already set. So now what I would do on Bitcoin is I would actually go long if we get a strong bounce here with volume. If we bounce, I will go long, and I'll make a target something like this. If we get a big, but we need to get a strong bounce from here. I put the stop loss underneath the monthly, and the target would be the upper end, 22,000. That will give us a nice risk to reward ratio trade. But I would only open the long at 20,090. The target will make, for $294 risk, I'll make $2,363. That would be the trade that I take, but only, again, I will only open this trade if Bitcoin bounces here with volume. Then I will go long. If it doesn't bounce, then I will keep the short open. This short that I have, I will keep it open and extend it, the take profit, all the way to 17,000. And that would be an epic ratio, 23 risk to reward ratio trade. If you've been following my videos, that's amazing. That means I'm risking $159 to make $3,785 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $37,000 profits. 100x leverage, $370,000. That's what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin right now. Again, all that trading you do underneath this video, you can sign up to Bybit and trade Bitcoin, altcoins. You can short, long using that link, $4,400 bonus. Now let's look at Ethereum. And don't forget, join that Telegram, because it's a free chat room on Telegram, this one here. And I showed that trade yesterday at 7:30 p.m., which is about 15 hours ago. I showed that short on Bitcoin, and now we're in profits. It was $2 in profits when I showed it, and now it's $150 in profits, which is beautiful. And that Telegram has 2,317 people. And this week, my team is going to pick the winner from this Telegram. Someone in this Telegram is going to get chosen. They're going to win a PlayStation 5, which will be epic. So let's look at now Ethereum. Ethereum played out, it looks like it played out in that yesterday's video. I was talking about, does this look like an ascending triangle and it's playing out exactly as I said. Actually, it's coming to that support. Now we really need a big bounce here. We've got two options. This is either a rising wedge, and Ethereum is going to break down to 810, and at that point it will be a big bounce. I'll buy a lot. Or this is it's either a rising wedge, which is bearish, or it's an ascending triangle. If you think that this top here is flat and then this is an ascending triangle, then we can bounce here off 1,138. So this point here for Ethereum and Bitcoin is super important. If we can bounce here, that's an ascending triangle, and Ethereum can remain bullish. But I think it's most likely going to break down, and I actually shorted from yesterday's video. That was the target, risking $69 to make 0.47 ratio trade. So every $1,000 risk, make $4,700. And if we don't bounce here for Bitcoin and Ethereum at this point, and we break under, they're going to both drop to new lows. So Ethereum will go to $810. So this is a super important moment, and it's looking like, in my opinion, it's actually looking like it's going to do this. So really, this is a moment of truth for Bitcoin and Ethereum, everyone. You better pray that Ethereum, if you're bullish, pray that Ethereum holds here and doesn't break below 1,132. If it does, then most likely it's a... Remember yesterday in the video, I asked what you thought about it. Most people thought it was actually a rising wedge and it's bearish. So this is a rising wedge, which is bearish. That's what it kind of looks like, right? A rising wedge. If it breaks down here, it can break down very far. The target would be 810. If you thought it was an ascending wedge, which was this option, ascending wedge, then that's bullish and it can break to the upside. But in my opinion, it does look like it's a little bit curved up. So it does look like more like a rising wedge. I'd love to know what you think in the comment section down below. Yesterday, good morning, beautiful. This student made 54% inside the Telegram group. This is the worst month ever for Bitcoin in history. 40% drop in 1 month. That's the worst month ever recorded this month. Last month was the worst month, 40% drop in all of Bitcoin's history, going back to 2011. We had 37%, 38%, but we never passed 40%. Now, does that mean that the bottom could be in and the worst is over? Most likely. This was also another student made 55% shorting Bitcoin. This student made 96% shorting Bitcoin from my call yesterday. Are you buying Bitcoin BTC at these prices or waiting for low? I did a poll yesterday on Telegram. You can follow me on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I've got a verified mark. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. 27% buying now. 18% think we're DCAing and they're going to be dropping. They're going to be buying as it comes down. 40% of people are waiting for it to drop lower. So people think this is going to get worse. So yeah, those are my thoughts on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thank you all for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Join 76,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. Join us in the Telegram. Take the Crypto Master course. Join us on Bybit to trade. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru. Love you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.